Hello awesome people, welcome back to another video of custom ROM review for your Redmi K20 Pro. And before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to prove that you are not a gay bot and I don't want any gay bot watching my video. Alright, let's get going. Okay, let's directly hop into settings about phone. Android version 12, and here you can see the version is Everglow 5.1, device raw file, and release type official, maintainer Iron G Fly, and the Android version is 12. If you move the clock position to 12 o'clock, you will see Easter egg. Alright, and you get the latest security patch that is March 5th 2022, and the kernel is Phoenix non-beta, right? That is good. And now let's go and see the Geekbench score. The single score is 750 and the multi-score is 2659. That is pretty decent score we got here. And now let's see the Antutu Benchmark. And here is the Antutu Benchmark 571258. Although the benchmark numbers are good and it's pretty decent score, right? But I have noticed a frame drop while playing games like PUBG Asphalt 9, and I will add some game clips in this video. You can check it out. It's quite disappointing, although the benchmark number is pretty good. Alright, but since this is Android 12L, so there will be some glitches and bugs, and I hope we can see much better performance in the next update, right?
I need a weapon.
Oi, Raksil. Suruh korban khusus ya. Iya. Moi ভাবছই পালে কিল সুর করব মজিয়াস নাকি
This is the camera, but you don't have other options like portrait or 48 megapixel, right? So but you can install camera like Gcam. You can have those options, right? And I have already made a video how to install Gcam in your phone. You can check it out from the link in the description. And now here let's go to settings, and you have the customization here in remote system. You have enable Google services, Arcana idle manager, status bar, swipe to screenshot, right? In extras you get to see game space right? You can enable gaming mode here. You can add the gaming, and you have unlimited Google Photo storage here. Spoof your device as Pixel XL for Google Photos app only to provide unlimited storage for backup. That is good. And you can unlock higher FPS in games like 90 FPS in PUBG. Although this phone doesn't have 90 FPS, this phone screen is only 60 Hz. Even if you enable higher frame per second, even though you will have that 90 FPS option in your PUBG, but that will still run in 60 FPS. So I don't think this is useful. You have unlocked higher quality streams. You can watch in higher quality like in Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Netflix. That is good. I think this is Arcana launcher based on AOSP launcher 3, right? But here you don't get that Android 12 style wallpaper. You can see here, right? You need to go to wallpaper and style to change the wallpaper. In other Android 12L, when you press and hold in your home screen, you get to see your recent wallpapers, right? But here you don't see that. I think this is because Vanillaville. I have installed Vanillaville, so if you want to use that feature, then install GApps build. Alright, now let's see in the quick setting panel. You get FPS info, color inversion, night light, extra dim, DC dimming, high brightness mode. You have those tiles here, and FPS info, it's working like a boss here. You can see the FPS meter is running on the top left corner, right? Let me turn it off. Now in Play Store you have, now here you can see device is certified, right? But here you don't get device is certified out of the box. You don't get safety net pass without Magic's module. Here to get Play Store certified and safety net pass, you need to install Magic's module. Here you can see I have installed Universal Safety Net Fix. So this is the module that lets me fix the safety net and Google Play Store certified, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you guys enjoy watching this type of content, then please support the channel and subscribe and like to get notification in the future for my video. Turn on the notification bell. All right, take care, bye bye, always keep smiling, bye bye.